In this guide, I'll show you how to convert MBR to GPT during Windows installation. If you have a CD or DVD with Windows 10, insert it into your computer's drive. Proceed with the Windows installation process until you reach the windows where you're prompted to select the installation disk. Hold down the Shift and F10 keys simultaneously to open the command prompt window. Type diskpart and press Enter to launch the diskpart utility. Next, type list disk and press Enter. Identify the disk you want to convert based on its size. For example, if you're encountering MBR error on disk 0, then select that disk. Type select disk 0 and press Enter. Now type clean and press Enter to wipe the disk clean. After cleaning the disk, type convert GPT and press Enter to convert it to the GPT format. Once the conversion is successful, type exit to leave the diskpart utility, then type exit again to close the command prompt. And then you can resume your Windows installation process by clicking Next and proceed with the usual installation process. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.